Welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve this simple math question. 21 divided by 3 parenthesis 3 plus 4. Can you solve? Guys, mostly people can solve this question by this wrong method. 21 divided by 3 parenthesis 3 plus 4 equals 7, and then 21 divided by 3 times 7 equals 21. 21 divided by 21 equals to 1. But trust me, this answer is wrong, because the order of operation, which is called PEMDAS rule, firstly guys, we can solve parentheses. So 3 plus 4 equals 7. I can write as it is. 21 divided by 3, 3 plus 4 equals 7. Now here one multiplication and one division. According to PEMDAS rule, multiplication and division have equal priority and we can solve it from left to right. So 21 divided by 3 equals 7 and 7 times 7 equals to 49. This is the final answer of this question. To see more maths video, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.